The last thing you want when spending time in your backyard are uninvited guests, like mosquitoes. Citronella candles and torches don't seem to work, and sprays are just unpleasant. But Thermacell Patio Shield surrounds you with a 15-foot zone of scent-free mosquito protection. Like all Thermacell fuel and mat repellers, Patio Shield uses a 12-hour fuel cartridge and blue heat-activated repellent mats. Some units may come with a cap installed like this one. If yours came with a cap, remove it. It should be used for storage only. Now, we'll show you just how easy it is to use a patio shield. First, remove the cap from a fuel cartridge and thread the cartridge clockwise into place. Slide the blue repellent mat into place. Twist the base to turn on your patio shield. Wait a few seconds and twist to the start position until it clicks. It helps to click start several times in quick succession. Finally, check the view window for an orange or blue glow. The heat generated by the fuel cartridge is directed to the mat, activating the repellent. After a few minutes, the heat disperses the repellent, creating a zone of mosquito protection. Each mat lasts about 4 hours. When the blue mat turns white, simply replace it with a fresh one. Be sure to place the repeller in the center of the area you want to protect. After a while, if you notice mosquitoes coming back, check for the orange glow in the view window. Check the fuel level and that the mat has some blue color left. Once you're ready to turn off the patio shield, simply twist the base to the off position. Thermacell stands by our products and their effectiveness with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So say goodbye to sprays and say hello to Patio Shield. Turn it on, mosquitoes gone.